Hey everyone, hey, welcome again, welcome back to my channel. Are you planning to study abroad but feeling confused about which university to choose? With so many options in the US, Canada, UK, Australia, and other countries, picking the right university can feel really crazy, like just crazy. But don't worry. In this video, I will break down the 7 most important factors you need to consider before choosing a university abroad. By the end of this video, trust me, you will have a clear idea of how to find the best university for you. Let's get started. Factor number 1, your career goals and course availability. The first step in choosing a university abroad is knowing what you want to study and how it aligns with your career goals. Ask yourself these questions. Does the university offer your program? Does it have specializations that interest you? What are the career prospects after graduation? Factor number 2, university rankings and reputation. Check the university rankings and reputation. Use trusted ranking sites like QS University Rankings, Times Higher Education Rankings. Check out their website. Pro tips: rankings matter, but don't only rely on them. A lower rank university might still be perfect for your course, so you know. The third factor here on my list is tuition fees and costs of living. Tuition fees and living costs vary greatly by country and university. Average tuition fees for international students in America is approximately $20,000 to $60,000 per year. In Canada, it's approximately $15,000 to $40,000 per year. In the UK, it's approximately £12,000 to £35,000 per year. Check the cost of living in big cities like New York versus a smaller city like Winnipeg. Your budget will determine which university is right for you. Factor number 4, scholarships and financial aid. Not all universities cost a fortune, so you know. Many universities offer scholarships to international students, and there are different types of scholarships. We have merit-based scholarship for academic excellence, we have need-based scholarship for financial needs, we have government scholarships, for example, Fulbright scholarship. Check the university's website and external scholarships. Grab the opportunity and apply to those scholarships so as to reduce your study cost. Factor number 5, location and campus life. Where you study affects your experience and career opportunities. Factors to consider: is a university in a big city or small town? Weather. Do you prefer hot or cold climate? Campus culture. Is there international student support, clubs and diversity in that university? Pro tip: research what past international students say about the university and city. Next on my list, internships and job opportunities. We all want to work after we graduate, right? Factors to consider: check if the university offers internships, job placements, or career services. Look at employment rates for graduates of that university. Research work visa options after graduation. For example, OPT in the United States of America, PSW in the UK. Last but not the least, admission requirements and application process. Every university has different admission requirements, but common requirements include academic transcripts, statement of purpose, letters of recommendation, English proficiency. I've made a video describing all of this, so I'm going to leave the link down in the description of this video. You can check that out. Pro tip: check the university's deadline and apply early to increase your chances of getting accepted. And that's it, guys. 7 key factors to help you choose the best university abroad. A quick recap: we have your career goals and course availability, university rankings and reputation, tuition fees and cost of living, scholarships and financial aid, location and campus life, job and internship opportunities, and lastly, admission requirements. Which factor is the most important to you? Let me know in the comments. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe and turn on notification so you never miss a study abroad tip. Thank you and bye.